Picture this, you ordered your favorite plants online, selected your own ship date, waited for them to arrive, and then this giant box shows up at your door. What do you do now? I know it's easy to get carried away and just start ripping your box open, but in this video, we're going to show you the best way to unbox your plants. And along the way, we'll also tell you why we packaged them this way. So whether you're thinking about ordering from us, waiting for your plants to arrive, or have a box of your own, stay tuned and learn the best way to safely unbox them. All you'll need to tackle this box is a pair of scissors and a box cutter. Or even if you're missing the box cutter, just a pair of scissors will work fine. So first you'll take your box cutter and just cut open the tape, starting from the sides here. And then one down the middle. Now that you have your box open, you'll see that it's filled with a bunch of mini boxes. So we'll start by pulling these out one by one. So now that you have all of your boxes laid out, you'll probably notice that the bottoms of each box have 4 tabs on them. And the easiest way to open these is actually just by pushing in on these tabs. You only really need your hands. So what you do is you just push them in until you see that there's a fold in there that you can stick your hand into, and then you can just rip them open. No scissors required. From there, you'll probably notice the bottom of the pot inside the box. Grab onto it and gently pull it out. And we have our first plant unboxed. This is a My Monet Weigela. And then we go down the line and do it with the rest. Now that we've opened our 4 smaller boxes that all have quart-sized plants in them, we're gonna open this larger box, which is gonna be our gallon plant. So if you order our 1 gallons, they're larger than the rest, and they come in a different style box. So looking at it, you'll see from the top, it says open from the side of the box. So we'll go to the side that has instructions, which is right here. It says to pull open and pull away both sides. So you push in here where there are some little tabs, and then you just pull the tabs right open from both sides. And inside you have a hydrangea. You can carefully lift it out by reaching your hands in and feeling the pot. Just pull it right out. There we go. Once you have all of your plants out of the box, you'll notice that they're all covered in this plastic. And what's great about the plastic is that it not only keeps your plants safe while they're shipping, but it also makes it so they don't spill at all. You can notice that there's no soil in these boxes, so you can even open them on your kitchen counter if you'd like. This part can be a little tricky. We'll show you how to remove the plastic. So you're gonna need scissors for this one, unless you think you can rip it with your bare hands. But what you're going to do is take the scissors, and you're going to cut off this end of plastic here just to get it out of the way. And then you'll cut around the top of the plant, making sure you're only cutting the plastic around the top of the pot and not any leaves at all. So you might need both hands, one to lift the plant up and the other one to use the scissors. And once you've reached all the way around, you'll hit this metal ring that's holding the plastic there. We're just gonna cut around it, leave the ring still on the pot. And there we go. So we remove the top of the plastic, and from here you can just pull the rest down and pull your pot out. If you want to keep this plastic on, you actually can. So you're probably not keeping these plastic containers that the plants come in. So you can just leave it on, or if you don't like the way it looks for the next day before you plant, you can just cut that right off too. And there you go. You have your unwrapped plant. It has a little plastic on it still, but it'll be just as happy like that. After you unbox the plants, now you can enjoy them in their full glory. You may notice while you're looking at them, some of them may have some broken stems here or there, and that's common in shipping. So all you have to do is just trim those off and it'll be just fine. If you notice some of your plants are already trimmed, trust me, that's a good thing. In our greenhouse, we keep our plants neatly trimmed so it forces them to grow strong root systems instead of growing big, bushy shoots. And this means that they'll establish quicker in your garden and it'll really help you out in the long run. Once you're done with your plants, make sure you double check your box again. You might find our planting guide, a plant catalog, and even a sticker in there. We'll have instructions on what to do next in your planting guide, but what you want to do is put them in the shade for 24 hours and give them some water to recuperate. Then it's time to plant. I hope this video shows you just how easy it is to unbox plants that you order online. Everything is as easy as just using your hands, scissors, and maybe a box cutter. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at info@greatgardenplants.com. Check out our website for more information or watch more videos on our YouTube channel.